Potter! He's dead!
No! No!
Stupid girl. Harry Potter is dead.
Silence, stupid girl. Harry Potter is dead.
From this day forth, you put your faith in me.
From this day forth, you put your faith in me.
Harry Potter is dead! And now is the time to declare yourself.
Harry Potter is dead. And now is the time to declare yourself.
Come forward and join us, or die.
Come forward and join us or die.
Draco, come.
Ah, well done, Draco.
Draco, come. Ah, well done, Draco.
Well done. Well, I must say I'd hoped for better.
Well done. Well, I must say I'd hoped for better.
And who might you be, young man?
Neville Longbottom.
And who might you be, young man?
Well, Neville, I'm sure we can find a place for you in our ranks.
I'd like to say something.
Well, Neville, I'm sure we'd all be fascinated to hear what you have to say. I'd like to say something.
Well, Neville, I'm sure we'd all be fascinated to hear what you have to say.
Doesn't matter that Harry's gone.
Stand down, Neville.
Well, Neville, I'm sure we'd all be fascinated to hear what you have to say. It doesn't matter Harry's gone. Stand down, Neville.
People die every day. Friends. Family. Yeah.
People die every day.
We lost Harry tonight. He's still with us. In here.
We lost Harry tonight. But he's still with us, in here.
So's Fred. Remus. Tonks. All of them.
So's Fred and Remus. All of them.
They didn't die in vain. But you will. Because you're wrong. Harry's heart did. It's not over!
They didn't die in vain, but you will. Because you're wrong. Harry's heart did beat for us. For all of us, this is not over.
We have to kill the snake.
Lucius, come back and fight. I'll lure him into the castle. We have to kill the snake.
Not my daughter, you bitch.
Not my daughter, you bitch.
You were right. When you told Professor Snape that one was failing you, it will always fail.
You were right when you told Snape that wand was failing you. It will always fail you.
I killed Snape.
But what if the wand never belonged to Snape? What if its allegiance was always to someone else?
I killed Snape, But what if the wand never belonged to Snape? What if its allegiance was always to someone else?
Come on, Tom. Let's finish this the way we started it.
Come on, Tom. Let's finish this the way we started it. Together.